Guys, it's time for us to create our necessary pages like privacy policy, about us page, and the disclaimer page. So we have already have a contact us page. For us to add all these ones, we need to go to pages. Okay, click add new. Then let's add a privacy policy first. Privacy. Okay. Then we hit publish. Confirm. We go again and add about us page. About us. Then we hit publish. Confirm. Okay. Then we go and add disclaimer page. Okay. So we hit publish. Confirm. So we have already gotten our disclaimer about us and the privacy policy. But yet all these pages are not displaying on our blog now. So we need to add these pages to be appearing on our blog. So for us to do that, we actually need to copy the link and go to our layout of our theme or template, anyone. So to paste the link so that is going to be appearing on our blog surface. So for us to do that, let's go to layout. We have already copied the first link. Then we scroll down. As you can see, edit pages. So for us, number one now is actually to edit this contact us because we have already have contact us page on our footer. So we edit this contact page to disclaimer page. So this name we deleted it. Then we write disclaimer. 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 So we will delete this one, this URL, this link. So it's not actually our link. It's from the template. So we paste our own. Hit paste. Save. Save. Then we go back again. Copy our battles page. Copy link. So we go back to our layout again. So this is our page again. We hit edit. Then we go down. As you can see where the wrote about us, we hit edit. So we need to delete this. We put our own link. Paste. Save. Save. So don't forget to save and you go back again, the same thing. Our privacy policy, we copy the link. Link copied. Okay, we go back to our layout again. The same pages, we hit edit. Then we actually gonna add new item, add a new item. So we add new. Then here we write it privacy policy. Privacy policy. Okay, then we paste our link here. Paste link. Okay, so we hit save. Sorry, this HTTP is actually 2. We need to delete this one. Okay. Okay, we hit save. Save. Then we need to go back to our blog surface. Refresh. Can't you see? Home, about us, disclaimer, privacy policy. It's now have this in 4 pages here. Then can't you see contact us page? That should be 5. And I believe this is actually enough. And to write all this privacy policy and disclaimer policy, there is a lot of tools out there that can actually help you to generate all these. So to generate your privacy policies, you can use a tool called H Super Tools, you know, to actually generate privacy policy and all the rest of them. This is actually is something that you can do with a free tools out there on Google. But if you want me to actually show you the tools that I'm using, then I need you to place a comment on the comment section. You know, just say hi Godswill or whatever. So and you ask for it, and then I will actually make a video about it on how I generate all these privacy policy about us disclaimer page. So we need to go back to our layout. So this is how you can make a changes on your template. Anything you change here will automatically appear on your blog. So this is the back, the dashboard, and this is actually the front. So whatever you change on the dashboard of your template, you're actually going to see it on your blog. Okay, so me, I just prefer keeping it to be simple. That is why I just off all these things, offers, Facebook, everything. But it depends on you if you actually want to use all these features. So it actually depends on you. But to me, I need to off everything like this ad, follow us, and all the rest. So don't remember that if you actually want to add followers page, uh, you need to come here, see where they wrote Facebook. You're actually gonna delete this link because this link is actually from the template, so it's not yours. Then you delete the link and add your Facebook link. You delete this with Twitter link and add your Twitter link. So that is how you can actually change it to becomes your link. Then people clicks on it, they will actually follow you direct. So that is it for now. But our next video, we're actually going to you know enter settings. Yes, so that will be my next video because we need to actually set all these things. And moreover, we never submitted this our website to Google Search Console. So Google have seen that this website is live on Google, but they don't actually know the owner. So we need to verify this website to Google Search Console. So and also give Google sitemap to actually index our blog. So that is it, and this is here. If we want to verify this website now, that is gonna be my next video, and keep winning. After that, then what we need to do is actually you know uh make start making our own blog post. But before that, we need to do a research because we need to do keyword research. We can't just come out and start writing. And if you actually want to know more, guys, you need to subscribe to my YouTube channel, and don't forget to like this video. And on my next video, I will actually submit this site to Google Search Console and submit site map so Google can actually index our website. So thank you for watching, and I'm still remain Godswill, and you are on Godswill Hustle channel. So here I talk about on how you can actually make money online. So you guys should support this channel by clicking subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up if you actually get any value from this video. So give it a thumbs up so that other people can actually see this video. Thank you for watching. Peace off.